Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to limit cash on delivery on WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful if you want to control which customers can use COD based on their order total, helping you manage risk and payment preferences for your online store. Let's jump right in. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account connected to your WooCommerce site so you have access to all the settings we'll need. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add a plugin that will give you control over COD limits. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin directory where you can search for and install tools that enhance your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Smart COD. From the search results, look for a plugin called Smart COD for WooCommerce. Before installing, you can click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This helps ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation might take a little while, so be patient as WordPress processes everything. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, direct your attention back to the left navigation panel. Click on WooCommerce and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Settings. This brings you to the WooCommerce settings page where you can configure various aspects of your store. Look at the top navigation tabs and click on Payments. This section displays all the payment methods available for your customers. From the list of available payment methods, click on Take Offline Payments. This will show you options like Cash on Delivery. Enable cash on delivery from the list, if it's not already turned on. Now, to actually limit cash on delivery based on cart amount, look for the field labeled Disable if cart amount is greater or equal than. This is the key setting that controls your COD limit. Enter the maximum amount you want to allow for COD orders in this field. For example, if you only want to allow COD for orders under $100, you'd enter 100 here. Once you've entered your desired limit, scroll down further on the page and click on Save Changes. This ensures all your settings are stored and will take effect immediately. From now on, customers whose cart totals meet or exceed your specified amount won't see cash on delivery as a payment option at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully set up a limit for cash on delivery on your WooCommerce store, giving you better control over how customers pay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.